What's going on, everybody? It's the Shop King here. So today we have a Soft Spots blind bag, and we get this cool little Soft Spots playset that I found at Toys R Us.
And that's what it looks like inside. These are some of the areas. Look, it has a cool hook area. I'm gonna I'll get those.
So here's the Soft Spots playset. It's super adorable. Hold on up, let me in. Let me in. Don't let me in, eh? And the door has this little lock on it. Oh, they got a slide?
Trying to open up this one.
Alright, so what would you think that thing is? How in the world does that work?
Doggy dinner, doggy dinner.
Nope, guess again.
Doggy dinner, doggy dinner.
Guess again.
Doggy dinner.
Nope.
Doggy dinner?
That's right, but flip it all upside down, just like that.
Oh, teeter-totter.
Yeah.
Teeter-totter.
That's pretty cool how they made that.
It's not a duplicate.
Oh, you opened up my blind bag without me looking, huh? Let's see what we got.
It's a yellow running puppy.
Oh, cool.
Ruff.
Oh, I like him. That's my favorite one. Look at his ears. He's in a hurry. Hey, where are you going so fast, dude? Okay, and then these little things here can attach onto this.
I never saw that there. I thought it was inside. It would be inside the house.
Let's look at the box and see. Ooh. Look, this guy has a crown. That's cool.
I want this girl.
Let me see if I can zoom in on him.
Oh, I would like her.
I want this guy with the crown. He's the king.
These two.
They got one with a ball.
I want all of the ones in
One
this
with a
house.
ball. They're all so cool. Oh wait, there's like an elevator.
This guy gets in trouble. Yes, make it go up.
Ugh. Whoop, sorry about that. Elevator doesn't work that great.
Yeah, but it works as a teeter-totter.
But this thing here also spins around in a circle. What's going on over here? Oh, a fun slide.
Get out of my house! Only. Oh, you're the robber who tried to get into our house.
I'm not a robber, I'm the king. Don't you recognize me?
How'd you get in?
I just walked around the side. Ugh.
You can't do that. The door's locked, silly.
You should close your house if you don't want people just to walk in. Hey, don't tip me over. No, don't tip me over. Oh, whew, that was close. I almost got tipped over. Oh no. This elevator's terrible.
Oh, right, the door's open.
Oh, there we go. I'll look out for bad people up here. Oh, maybe I won't.
Get out. Shoo.
Alright everybody, so that's all the time we have for today. This is a pretty cool playset. It only costs like $8 or something like that. So I definitely recommend it. It's really cool. And the Soft Spots puppies are really cool too. So click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next video. Later.